Hello fellow compounders, welcome back. Have you been having trouble thinking up gifts for your children, nieces, nephews, grandchildren, or even friends? Today, we're diving into a unique holiday idea, stocking stuffers that could grow in value. We're talking about ETFs and a special stock that's perfect for gifting this holiday season. Let's unwrap these exciting options. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. I am not your financial advisor and you are responsible for your own financial decisions. First up is SPLG, the Spider S&P 500 ETF. This ETF is a fantastic choice for those looking to gift an investment in some of America's largest and most established companies. SPLG tracks the S&P 500, which means that it's invested in 500 of the largest US companies across various sectors, offering a broad and diversified exposure to the US stock market. From tech giants to healthcare leaders, this ETF covers it all. The price per share is $53.99 as of December 1st. It has about $23 billion in assets under management and an expense ratio of 0.02%. That's 2 basis points. And a dividend yield of 1.46%. And over the last 10 years, its average annual return was 11.56%. What makes SPLG a standout stocking stuffer? It's the blend of stability and growth potential. For a young investor, it's an excellent introduction to the stock market. For a seasoned investor, it's a dependable choice that anchors their portfolio. Its low expense ratio makes it a cost-effective gift, ensuring more of your investment goes towards market gains rather than fees. Moreover, its performance historically mirrors the ups and downs of the US economy, making it a reflective and educational investment. Imagine the excitement of unwrapping a gift that gives them ownership in 500 of the largest and most influential companies in America. SPLG is not just a gift for the holiday season, it's an investment in their future. Our next idea is VTI, the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. This ETF is like giving the ultimate market sampler. VTI isn't limited just to large cap stocks. It spans the entire US stock market, including mid cap and small caps. This breadth offers a comprehensive snapshot of the US economy, providing a diversified investment experience. The price per share as of December 1st was $228.17. It has around $1.3 trillion in assets under management. It has an expense ratio of 0.03%, a dividend yield of 1.46%, and an average annual return over the last 10 years of 10.96%. Why is VTI a fabulous stocking stuffer? It's all about the breadth and depth of its coverage. With a single investment, you're gifting exposure to over 3,500 stocks, capturing the performance of the entire US stock market. It's particularly appealing for those who believe in the growth potential of the US economy as a whole, from the giants of the tech worlds to the innovative small businesses driving tomorrow's trends. VTI's low expense ratio means more money stays invested. Its broad diversification reduces risk, making it an excellent choice for new investors. It's a way to introduce someone to the world of investing, giving them a piece of every corner of the US market. The gift of VTI is like giving a key to the vast kingdom of American enterprise. For our globe-trotting investors, VT, the Vanguard's Total World Stock Market ETF, is a perfect gift. This ETF isn't just global, it's universal. VT offers exposures to stocks worldwide, combining US and international stocks in a single ETF. It's a diversified portfolio that spans developed and emerging markets, giving your gift recipient a taste of global investing. Its price per share as of December 1st was $99.46. It has around $36 billion in assets under management. The expense ratio is 0.07% or 7 basis points, and its dividend yield is around 2%. Its annual average return over the last 10 years was 7.58%. What makes VT an extraordinary stocking stuffer? It's the global exposure. It owns close to 10,000 companies around the world. VT lets your loved one own a piece of companies not just in the US, but also in Europe, Asia, and emerging markets. This kind of diversification is key in today's interconnected world. It reduces the risk of being tied to the fortunes of a single country's economy and presents opportunities for growth from different regions of the world. VT is a lesson in global economics and investing all in one. It's an ideal gift for someone who's curious about the world markets or a seasoned investor looking to broaden their horizons. And with its reasonable expense ratio, it's a cost-effective way to travel the world through investing. Gifting VT is like giving a world tour of the stock market, a journey through the economies of different nations. Now let's talk about SCHD, the Schwab's US Dividend Equity ETF. This ETF is a dream come true for those who love dividends. SCHD focuses on high dividend paying stocks in the United States, which means it not only provides the potential for capital appreciation, but also a regular income stream through dividends. Its price per share as of December 1st was $73.15. Its assets under management is $49 billion. It has an expense ratio of 0.06%, a dividend yield of 3.58%, and over the last 10 years, its average annual return was 10.45%. SCHD stands out as a stocking stuffer for its focus on dividend reliability and growth. It selects companies based on their history of paying dividends, which means it's invested in some of the most financially stable and reliable companies in the United States. This makes it a safer bet in turbulent markets and a source of regular income, which can be particularly appealing for retirees or those seeking steady income. With its low expense ratio, SCHD is an efficient way to invest in a dividend-focused strategy. It's a thoughtful gift for someone looking to build a passive income stream or for someone who appreciates the stability and consistency of dividend-paying companies. It's a gift that keeps on paying year after year. Lastly, we have a special mention, my favorite stock of all times. You've guessed it, Berkshire Hathaway, the renowned conglomerate led by Warren Buffett. While it's not an ETF, Berkshire Hathaway stock is a diversified investment in itself, owning a wide range of businesses from insurance to energy to retail and transportation. As of December 1st, it was trading at $357.07. It has a market cap of $777 billion, close to $800 billion. It doesn't pay any dividends, but it does have capital appreciation. Its 10-year average annual return is 11.85%. Close to 12%. Why gift Berkshire Hathaway? It's an opportunity to own a piece of a legendary investment empire. Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio includes some of the most successful companies in the world, handpicked by Buffett himself. It's known for its value investing philosophy and long-term growth strategy, making it a wise choice for patient investors. Gifting a share of Berkshire Hathaway is more than just an investment. It's a lesson in sound, long-term investment strategies. It's ideal for someone who admires Warren Buffett's approach or for an investor looking for diversity in a single strong stock. It's a timeless investment, much like a classic holiday gift that never goes out of style. And there you have it, 5 fantastic financial stocking stuffers to consider for this holiday season. Remember, investing is a gift that can grow. And what better time to start than now? Remember to always be compounding. Happy holidays and happy investing. Take care. See you in the next video.